A clogged showerhead can be a frustrating experience, but it is not an uncommon problem. Hard water, mineral deposits, rust, soap and shampoo residue, low water pressure, and aging showerheads are the primary causes of showerhead clogs. The best way to prevent clogging is to clean the showerhead regularly. Here are some simple DIY solutions to fix a clogged showerhead. Vinegar soak. One of the easiest and most effective ways to remove mineral buildup from a clogged showerhead is to soak it in vinegar. To do this, fill a plastic bag with vinegar and tie it around the showerhead, making sure that the showerhead is completely submerged. Leave the bag in place for several hours or overnight, and then remove it and run hot water through the showerhead to flush out any remaining debris. Baking soda and vinegar. Another effective DIY solution for removing mineral buildup from a showerhead is to use a mixture of baking soda and vinegar. To do this, mix equal parts baking soda and vinegar to make a paste. Apply the paste to the showerhead and let it sit for about 30 minutes. Then, use a toothbrush or scrub brush to gently scrub the showerhead, and then rinse with hot water. Toothpick. Yes, you heard it right, a toothpick. If you notice that only a few of the showerhead's holes are clogged, you can use a toothpick to remove the blockage. Simply insert the toothpick into the clogged hole and gently move it around to remove any debris. Be careful not to push the debris further into the showerhead. Dish soap. If you suspect that soap scum is causing the clog, you can use dish soap to remove it. Mix a few drops of dish soap with hot water and pour the solution into a plastic bag. Tie the bag around the showerhead, making sure that the showerhead is completely submerged. Leave the bag in place for several hours or overnight, and then remove it and rinse the showerhead with hot water. These DIY solutions can help you fix a clogged showerhead quickly and easily. However, if these methods don't work or if the clog is severe, it may be time to replace the showerhead. For quick professional plumbing services, contact 5-Star Best Plumbing Los Angeles. We assure you our licensed plumbers will make short work of any plumbing issues you may encounter.